Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to use about reduction variables. So I will put u equals to s plus y. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have du over dx. This one we have number one dx over dx. This one we have number one dy over dx. And now we can simplify and you got number one. So because we just have only dy over dx, so I will put number one go to the left. This one we change for u. This one we change for this one. Now negative number one I will put in here. And we know that number one that is about cos u square minus sin u square. Now we simplify. And then I will put this one go to the left, ds go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one that is about tan u. This one that is about s, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.